On July 23, 2025, the UK Supreme Court annulled Tom Hayes' 2015 conviction, making him the first trader to be imprisoned in relation to the global Libor-rigging scandal. This groundbreaking ruling, delivered unanimously, signifies the end of Hayes' lengthy legal struggle over the past decade and has significant repercussions for financial prosecutions in the UK. Background: the Libor scandal and Hayes' case. Who exactly is Tom Hayes? A banker with a background in mathematics, Hayes was employed by UBS and Citigroup in Tokyo, where he traded yen-denominated products and impacted Libor, London interbank offered rate, submissions. In August 2015, he was found guilty at Southwark Crown Court on 8 counts of conspiracy to defraud and sentenced to 14 years in prison, which was later reduced to 11 years. He completed 5.5 years before being released on license in January 2021. Legal fallout and appeals. Initially, Hayes faced setbacks with appeals in 2015 and 2020. However, in January 2022, a U.S. appeals court annulled the convictions of Deutsche Bank traders for similar actions, leading the UK's Criminal Cases Review Commission, CCRC, to reconsider Hayes' case in July 2023. The Court of Appeal maintained his conviction in March 2024, but acknowledged a question of law with significant public importance, specifically, the definition of honest Libor submissions. Supreme Court's ruling. Today, the Supreme Court unanimously determined that jurors in Hayes' 2015 trial were misled. The trial judge had stated that any submission swayed by a bank's trading objectives was inherently dishonest. The Supreme Court concluded that a commercial motive does not automatically equate to dishonesty, and that it was the jury's duty to evaluate all facts and circumstances. Lord Legate's ruling stressed that the jury needed the opportunity to assess whether each submission was genuine or dishonest based on the evidence, rather than being guided by flawed legal directions. Aftermath and implications. Conviction quashed. Hayes' conviction was officially annulled. The Serious Fraud Office, SFO, announced it would not pursue a retrial due to public interest considerations.